Hi, Tony here again from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're going to be looking at cabinets, bathroom cabinets, and the sort of information we need to help you again get the right part. Most of the cabinets will have names, so we'll be able to work it out from that. But cabinets like Koika have their own codes on labels. So every Koika unit has got a label in it. Now, you can see this one here is up here, and the model is 13601-1 Royal L1. So that basically gives us all the information we need for that cabinet. So if you required a door, hinges, shelving, sockets, anything, we've now got that code we can use. So that's Koika. So a Koika unit will always have a sticker in it. Right, while we're here, we might as well utilise this mirror just to explain if it isn't Koika. So if we didn't know this make or model, so the first thing we'd have to start is open up and have a look at the hinges. So hinges are quite common. So these are the hinges. Again, if you're sending us information, measurements of all the sizes, anything like that would help. Because this is quite unusual with the light above. So if this needed changing, the bulb in here, electrics is all behind here. Door size, obviously the cabinet itself, the size would help. And then we'd have to work out from that. So this is a Hib mirror. It's got a nice mirror. Now Hib do not put their markings inside. They put them on the top here. So the code is on that, same as Koika. It'll tell the manufacturer date, it'll tell them the model, everything we need, and then we can go through the spares list, parts, depending what you want. Again, there's electrical outputs, shelving, output up here. Right, the next thing is to now try and identify the exact part you require. So there's many ways of contacting us. The more information we have, the easier it is for us to give you accurate information and get the right part. So we've got email. Email, you can attach photos, attach measurements, any markings on the shower and tap or on the unit that tell us who the manufacturer is really help. You can phone us and speak to our tech team. We have specialist technical advisors on various parts of the plumbing industry. So you can come phone in and speak to one of them. You can also use live chat, which is another option. So it's whatever you're comfortable with, whatever you feel is the easiest format for you. But just think, the more information we have, the easier it is for us to recommend the correct part.